Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Alexa routines using door sensor triggers step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Amazon Alexa device is set up and connected to the internet. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the More option located in the bottom right corner of the app. Select Routines from the menu that appears. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine that reflects its purpose. Next, tap on when this happens to set the trigger for your routine. Select Smart Home from the list of available options. Find and tap on your door sensor from the list of connected devices. Choose the trigger type, such as opens or closes, depending on your preference. After selecting the trigger, tap on Add Action to specify what you want Alexa to do. Scroll through the actions list and select what you want to occur when the door sensor is activated. You can choose from options like playing music, adjusting lights, or sending notifications. Once you've added your desired actions, tap on Save to finalize your routine. Review your routine details on the screen to ensure everything is set up correctly. If everything looks good, tap Save again to activate the routine. Test your setup by opening or closing the door to see if the routine triggers as expected. If your routine does not work, check the door sensor connection in the Alexa app. You can always go back and edit the routine from the Routines page if needed. Now, your Alexa routines are ready to activate using your door sensor triggers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.